Hi, I'm Brian.
And I'm Jessica, and together we present the Getting the Love You Want Streamlined Essentials Workshop.
It's a virtual workshop, which means we can welcome couples from all over the world, and it will absolutely restore connection between you and your partner, and you will learn skills about communicating and just being a better partner in your couplehood.
The workshop is very skill based, so you're going to learn a lot of new skills and tools that you can implement daily in your life together. And I think in addition to that, because we're in this online format, it's an educational experience, it's not therapy and skill oriented. You can have a totally private experience with each other. And I think one of the things I love the most is we do a great amount of work of amplifying the positive that we know is already existing in your relationship. We often hear couples describe the experience as very hopeful.
And I think a really compelling piece for me around this is that it's really practical. It's not just a bunch of big ideas that you're going to hear about and you can wonder about later. It's specific skills and things you can do starting immediately that will improve your connections with your partner.
So we hope you will join us, and we would love to have you.
Bye-bye.